आप लोग को एक चीज दिखाना चाहती हूँ. सॉरी ये एसी का थोड़ा आवाज है, ये इतना गर्म है. आई कांट. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Do let me know how are you guys doing. I always say you guys hope you all are doing great, but do let me know how are you guys doing. And I am ready to go out somewhere and taking you guys along. And yes, I am ready, but I'm not ready in the sense clothes wise, because nowadays whenever I open my cupboard, it is always like homeware, night suits, loose t-shirts, and I don't feel like wearing anything else. Search and then wear and get ready, so I just picked up whatever was there. So yeah, let's go. So along with me, even Cookie is all ready and we are on our way. So we have arrived to our dadu's house, like my other house, and we will walk around and we will meet my aunties. So I will give a proper house tour. It's a big house, so I will make a proper good video later, like showing the whole house. For now I will just show in bits, because even my battery it's very low. So yeah. So we had forgot to bring the keys. Even I forgot, even my mother forgot. She came a bit earlier, but even she forgot, and this is how we had to literally enter and then open the lock from inside. So I'm asking him to do it all over again so that I can show you, because I came a bit late, so I could not record it, and my mother had already opened, like he went inside and he opened. So Cookie! Hello, good afternoon. So we have reached the next day. Yesterday I wanted to vlog, but then my battery died, and my bad, I did not carry my charger, so I couldn't vlog the whole day. And anyways, I enjoyed, you know. So yeah, I also met my sister after a long time. It was good. So anyways, most of you guys are asking me with what do I make my vlogs and all. I am using my phone for now, but I'll soon get a camera. See, I'm still in the process of learning and knowing the whole thing, so I don't want to rush into anything. I first want to know, then, you know, go step by step. So yes, that is it. And I'm using my phone, which is iPhone XR, but yes, I will soon take a camera, which again I will show you guys properly. And yeah, for now I just have one equipment, that is the tripod. So yes, and that's why I did not make a video upon the vlogging stuff I'm using. Soon I will collect the equipments, then I will make a proper vlogs on all the equipments that I'm using and all. So yes, and I am again ready. So I'm again ready to go out somewhere. तो धूप बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है, जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं शायद. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा अभी पोस्टपोन कर लिया है, शाम को शायद 4 या 5 बजे तक, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. आप लोग को एक चीज़ दिखाना चाहती हूँ. सॉरी ये एसी का थोड़ा आवाज़ है, ये इतना गर्म है, आई कांट इवन टच इट. ये देखिए, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे आप लोग सबको. थोड़ा लेट है, बट इट्स ओके. So even though I waited for some time, but I had to leave, because again then it will start raining, and I don't want to again, you know, postpone it till the other day. So I left and I reached this is if you're from Guwahati, you will know it is known as Pan Bazaar. So in case you are not from Guwahati, I just want to say you all that this is a place where we come if you want any books or any novels or things like that. So this is, or stationaries. So this is a place filled with area actually filled with bookstores. You can see left and right bookstores all the way. So I picked up whatever was needed, and now I'm heading towards my grandfather's house, like my other house, because again I have a few work lying there. So yeah. In a rush, this was what I had for lunch. So I am back to my other house, my grandfather's house. So I will do some work, whatever is left, and see you guys in the next vlog. And I will also show you guys what books did I buy in the next vlog, because I am extremely busy today. I have a lot of work to do. So yeah, and also edit this video. So see you in the next vlog. Like, shooting this video was so difficult because these days I have been running literally from one place to another. So I rush and I forgot to charge my phone. Sometimes I am like not being able to shoot few things. So somehow I just finished this video up. So next video I'll be sharing with you guys what books did I buy, and also in what work I'm busy. So yes, and slowly steadily I will show you guys everything. So till then, bye bye, take care and be positive.